ओके, योर टाइम इज अप। आपको आज मैं क्लास में वापस नहीं लूंगी, चाहे कुछ भी कर लीजिए। मयंक बेटा वीडियो ऑन करिए। प्लीज मैम अनम्यूट कर लीजिए।
Okay, children. Yesterday I explained you the chapter. Day before yesterday, I explained you the chapter Swami's Night Alone. So today we are going to discuss exercises and question answers. So I'm going to start with take out page number 32 in your books, and you can raise your hands for giving the answers. So first question is, where did father ask Swami to sleep that night? Where did father ask Swami to sleep that night? Father ने स्वामी को कहाँ सोने के लिए बोला था रात में? Ma'am, please unmute Virat.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
The answer is the father office.
You have to give the complete answer. पूरा sentence frame करिए.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Give chance to anyone else so that the child can
Father
speak.
said,
Okay, ma'am. Sakshi.
yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Give the complete answer
Yes,
for this.
Father asked Swami to asked Swami to sleep in his office room.
Okay. So the answer is father asked Swami to sleep in his office that night. Okay. Second question is, why could Swami not keep a light burning? जो स्वामी था उसके पास क्यों नहीं कोई लाइट जल रही थी? क्यों उसने कोई लाइट नहीं जलाई थी? Can anyone tell the answer?
Shrishti.
Ma'am, you can unmute Divyansh Gaur.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Divyansh. Okay. Divyansh.
Divyanshi Gaur, sorry. Divyanshi, unmute yourself and tell the answer. Ma'am, anyone else?
Okay, ma'am.
Because she's not unmuting herself.
Wait. Ayush.
मैम
Yes,
मैम
what is the answer?
मैम मुझे आपसे कुछ पूछना था।
हाँ बोलिए।
मैम जो पूछना था मैम, स्कॉर्पियंस माने बिच्छू होता है ना?
हाँ।
और मैम जो आप पूछा ना लॉ बुक्स माने क्या होता है?
जो वकालत होती है ना, जैसे लॉयर्स होते हैं,
यस मैम,
वकील, उनकी जो बुक्स होती है ना उनको लॉ बुक्स बोला जाता है।
और
वो जो
मैम
बुक्स
स्काउट्स,
है ना, क्या?
यस मैम।
ओके,
और मैम जो पूछना था, मैम जो पूछना था स्काउट्स माने क्या होता है?
बेटा कहाँ पे ये वर्ड?
मैम मैम लास्ट पेज पे, मैम लास्ट पेज के फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में।
लास्ट पेज पे कौन सा वर्ड बोल रहे हो?
मैम स्काउट।
लास्ट पेज पे कौन सा? फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ मतलब
yes,
वो
सैनिक,
सोल्जर, ट्रू स्काउट मींस सोल्जर।
मैम एक सिपाही टाइप का।
हाँ राइट, ओके।
मैम स्काउट माने सिपाही टाइप का।
हाँ
सिपाही।
सोल्जर, हाँ ये ट्रू सैनिक है, उसने ये बोला था, ठीक है।
ओके मैम, सिपाही है मतलब एक सच्चा।
हाँ बस।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
ओके, यू वांट टू टेल द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन?
मैम नो.
आप आंसर ओके. एनीवन एल्स कैन गिव द आंसर. तेजस्व अग्रवाल. तेजस्व अग्रवाल.
तेजस्व.
Yes, you can answer, beta. Tejas, are you able to hear? Ma'am, give the chance to anyone else. They are not responding. They are just raising their hands.
Sakshi.
Yes,
Sakshi,
ma'am.
what is the answer, beta?
Ma'am, because Swami's father said that you must learn not to be afraid of darkness. That's why Swami could not keep the light burning.
Okay. It is a correct answer. The answer is Swami could not keep a light burning because his father forced him that he must learn not to be afraid of darkness. Up next question is why could Swami hardly breathe? जो स्वामी है वो सांस प्रॉपर तरीके से क्यों नहीं ले पा रहा था? Who is going to tell the answer? Ma'am, unmute Neeti. Ma'am.
Ma'am, I muted Astha.
Okay.
Ma'am, because all kind of noise reached her ears, like rustle of trees sticking
नहीं
out.
बेटा, you are going wrong. इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब है जो स्वामी है वो सांस क्यों नहीं ले पा रहा था प्रॉपर तरीके से? वो सांस क्यों नहीं ले पा रहा था स्वामी? ये क्वेश्चन है. मैम आप अनम्यूट करिए नीति को. नीति गुप्ता नीचे वो देख लीजिएगा. शी इज नॉट रेजिंग हर हैंड बट यू कैन अनम्यूट हर.
Let me look. Yeah. Neeti.
नीति.
Ma'am, good morning.
You have read the chapter na? So what is the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? क्या
Ma'am,
आंसर है? हाँ.
मैम क्योंकि उसे काफी डर लग रहा था मैम. उसे लग रहा था कि पीछे घोस्ट वगैरह है इसलिए.
कृतिका मैम अनम्यूट. कृतिका.
Kritika.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Swami was scared, so he covered himself with his blanket completely. So he breathed hardly.
No. Ma'am, unmute anyone else.
Chitransh.
Ma'am, Swami hardly breathed because he covered himself completely.
Completely किससे completely cover कर लिया था उसने अपने आप को?
Blanket से मैम.
Yes. It is the correct answer, but little bit framing mistake is there. Swami could hardly breathe. क्यों नहीं सांस ले पा रहा था? Because he covered himself completely with his blanket. उसने अपने आप को पूरी तरह से कवर कर लिया था अपने ब्लैंकेट से. Okay. Fourth question is, who did he expect to carry him away? वो किसको expect कर रहा था कि कौन आएगा और उसे ले जाएगा? Anyone else? Ma'am, give chance to Yash Verma. Give
Yes.
chance to Yash Verma.
Okay, ma'am.
Yash.
Yeah. Yash, beta, unmute yourself.
Yash, tell the answer.
Yash, unmute yourself, beta.
Yash, are you able to hear us? Yash, unmute yourself. मैम किसी और को चांस देते.
Okay, ma'am. मैम जिनका हैंड रेज है या फिर जिनका नहीं है?
हाँ, जिनका हैंड रेज है उनका कर दीजिए.
Okay, ma'am.
अनन्या को कर दीजिए. शी रेजिंग हर हैंड. अनन्या.
मैम साक्षी को कर दिया. रुकिए.
अनन्या को कर
अनन्या,
दीजिए.
अनन्या बेटा unmute yourself.
Okay, what is the answer? हाँ.
Then
What
the
is the answer?
answer is Swami thinks that he was safer behind the bench.
This is question number 4 is going on.
The
Who
bench.
Question number 4 is going on. Who did he expect to carry him away? उसे क्या लग रहा था उसे कौन ले जाएगा?
Ma'am, he thinks that ghost carry him away.
Okay. अच्छा, तो answer is Swami expected devils to come up and carry him away. Okay, next question is which place did Swami think was safer? स्वामी को कौन सी प्लेस सेफ लग रही थी? मैम गिव चांस टू विराट.
विराट.
Ma'am, the answer is under the table.
What?
मैम उसको वाली प्लेस अंडर द टेबल, मतलब मैम टेबल के नीचे उसको सही लग रही थी.
हाँ, अंडर द बेंच. अंडर द टेबल नहीं है, तो इसका आंसर गिव इट द कंप्लीट आंसर. गिव द कंप्लीट आंसर. पूरा आंसर दो.
ओके मैम. स्वामी मैम एक बार क्वेश्चन दोबारा बोल दीजिएगा.
Which place did Swami think was safer?
Swami think the safe place was under the bench.
Okay, I am repeating the answer, children. Swami thought that it was safer to sleep under the bench. Okay, then 30 to 40 words questions. Why did Swami feel angry? Swami को गुस्सा क्यों आया था? Why did Swami feel angry?
उसके फादर ने उसे ऑफिस में सोने के लिए किया था.
श्रेया अग्रवाल बेटा unmute yourself.
हाँ, what is the answer?
Swami was feeling angry because he did not like the strain of cruelty he saw in his father's nature.
Okay, this is the point. But इसमें थोड़ी सी mistake है बेटा. जब when the question is in past tense, जैसे why did है, तो it is in past tense, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसकी verb change हो जाती है. Why did Swami feel angry है, तो आ जाएगा Swami felt angry. Okay, but it is not the complete answer. I want the complete answer. एक तो वो उसके nature से गुस्सा था, और क्या reason था? Sakshi can tell. Ma'am, Sakshi can tell. She was raising her hand.
Sakshi. Yeah. Sakshi.
मैम एक्चुअली मेरे को भी यही पॉइंट लगा था सिर्फ.
और कुछ anything else? कुछ और इसमें ऐड हो सकता है, ये तो है ही है, लेकिन कुछ और भी है जो इसमें हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. Anyone else wants to speak? कुछ और इस चीज के लिए रीजन देना चाहते हो आप लोग? मैम यू शुड अनम्यूट कृतिका. ओके मैम, गिव द चांस टू कृतिका. गिव चांस टू कृतिका.
मैम
हाँ, व्हाट इज द आंसर बेटा?
मैम मुझे ये लगा था एंड his father make him the laughing stock of his school.
हाँ, ये तो है ही. और लिटिल बिट मोर, किस वजह से वो लाफिंग स्टॉक बन जाएगा? व्हाट वाज द रीजन? किस चीज की वजह से वो लाफिंग स्टॉक बन जाएगा?
Because he's scared of darkness.
No. Okay, Sakshi wants to give the answer, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
What is that?
if he will go to his granny's side, so his father make him laughing stock.
Stock of his school. This is the correct answer. Now I am telling you the full answer. Swami felt angry because his father threatened him. उसके पापा ने उसको धमकी दी थी that if he rolled up his bed and went to his granny's side at night, अगर वो रात को अपनी ग्रैनी के पास सोने के लिए चला गया, then he would make him the laughing stock of his school, और उसलिए उसकी वजह से उसे वो हंसी का पात्र बना देंगे उसके स्कूल में. By seeing the strain of cruel behavior of his father, he became angry. This is the answer. Okay. The next question is, why did Swami keep expecting the devil to come and carry him away? उसे बार बार क्यों वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि डेविल आएगा और उसे ले जाएगा? Can anyone tell? मैम अनन्या, अनन्या.
Wait a minute, ma'am. Ananya. Yeah.
Yes, बेटा. हाँ.
Every moment he expected that the devil comes and carry him.
Beta, I'm not able to hear.
And he
Repeat.
remember.
Repeat once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Speak once
Swami
again.
expecting that to come and carry him away because he remind that.
You are going right.
Because he remind the old incident of his old in the fourth class suddenly disappeared and was said to have the beef by ghost of
Okay. Okay. Anyone else? Ma'am, anyone else wants to give the answer? Srishti Avasthi.
Shrishti Avasthi, beta. Unmute yourself.
हाँ.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम क्योंकि उसे ये लग रहा था कि उसके फ्रेंड को घोस्ट उठा के लेके आया था, तो मैम उसे भी ये किसी बात का डर लग रहा था.
Okay, you speak in English for this. You can speak the full answer in English.
Ma'am, Swami keep accepting the devil to come and carry him because
I told that did is past form, तो हम लोग स्वामी kept कर देंगे वहाँ पे. अगर ऐसा आप आंसर फ्रेम करेंगे तो we'll not write keep past form में. चलिए बोलिए आंसर.
because Swami's friend Swami's friend the devil to come up and carry him away.
No, it's wrong answer. Sakshi give the full answer.
Sakshi, beta, unmute yourself.
Give the
Yes,
complete
ma'am.
answer. Give the complete answer.
Okay, ma'am. Swami expecting that that the devil come and carry him away. As there was the instant of his old friend in the fourth class who suddenly disappeared and was said to have been carried off by a ghost to Siam or Nepal.
Okay. So I am going to tell the complete answer first of all. The answer will start he start remembering all the stories of ghosts and devils he had heard in his life. सबसे पहला point ये आएगा कि जो स्वामी था, he remembered all the devils and ghost stories he had heard in his life. उसको सारी stories याद आ जाती हैं जो उसने devils और ghost की पढ़ी होती हैं लाइफ में. फिर उसको इंसिडेंट्स याद आते हैं जो उसके फ्रेंड्स के साथ हुए थे. फिर उसको ध्यान आता है ही मेमोराइज द स्टोरी ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड मनी हु सॉ द डेविल इन द banyan tree at the street end. And after that we can write that he also recalled the incident of an old friend who disappeared suddenly and was when he was studying in fourth class. So every moment he expected that a devil would come and carry him away. Okay, my next question is, why did he sleep under the bench? वो बेंच के नीचे क्यों सोया था?
18 minutes.
Okay, Shreya Agarwal, you can answer.
Shreya, unmute yourself.
Shreya, unmute yourself and tell the answer.
Because he was feeling safer under the bench.
Yes, yes, it's right. So you can give one more line in that. You can add something else in that.
मैम फर्स्ट लाइन तो ये है कि उसे बेंच के नीचे बहुत सेफ लग रहा था और उसे तो डार्कनेस से वो अफ्रेड था, इसलिए उसे बेंच के नीचे सोने में अच्छा लग रहा था, उसे सेफ लग रहा था.
अच्छा, मैम गिव चांस टू नीति. नीति वाज रेजिंग हर हैंड.
नीति, ओके मैम. या नीति, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटा.
Ma'am, because it seemed to be much safer place, more compact and reassuring.
Yes, reassuring.
Ma'am,
complete answer. This is the complete answer. I am repeating the answer again. Swami thought it was safer to sleep under the bench as it would be more compact and reassuring. This is the complete answer. Okay. Next question is, why did his friends treat him with respect the next day? जो स्वामी के फ्रेंड्स थे वो उससे बहुत ऑनर दे रहे थे, बहुत रिस्पेक्ट दे रहे थे दूसरे दिन. क्यों? What was the reason behind?
तेजस्वी,
tell the answer.
तेजस्वी, unmute yourself बेटा.
मैम गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning. What is the answer, beta?
मैम बिकॉज in night he catch a thief wanted in the city and catch him.
Okay, this is incomplete and the formation is wrong. Anyone else?
Okay.
Ananya,
unmute yourself बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am unmute. Can I give?
What do you want to say?
Swami treat him with respect the next day because in the night he had bitten into the flesh of one of the most nearest house bakers of the district.
Okay.
And
So
the
the
police
answer
were
is
grateful to him
अच्छा,
for it.
no need of writing that. उसको respect क्यों मिल रही थी? बस वही reason लिखना है हमें. His friends treated him with respect the next day because he had caught one of the most notorious housebreakers of the district. This is the complete answer. So last question of this is, what did Swami do the next evening? The next evening. स्वामी ने नेक्स्ट इवनिंग में क्या किया? श्रेया,
श्रेया, unmute yourself बेटा.
मैम do one thing. Yes.
Ma'am, next evening, Swami was sleeping at his granny's side, and his father was saying to his mother that why he was sleeping at his granny's side.
Okay, ma'am, unmute Suhani Pandey. She is not raising her hand. Suhani Pandey.
Suhani, unmute yourself बेटा.
Ma'am, please.
What should be the answer? The question is, what did Swami do the next evening?
Ma'am, please take the question repeat.
What did
Swami do the next evening? Next evening स्वामी ने क्या किया था?
Next evening, स्वामी ने क्या किया था? Then Swami's do next evening. He his parents doing conversations. मैम मतलब उसके पेरेंट्स कन्वर्सेशन कर रहे थे और उसके फादर ने कहा था कि वो स्वामी कहाँ सो रहा है.
मैम गिव चांस
वो
टू
सो नहीं रहा था.
ओके गिव चांस टू नीति.
सो नहीं रहा था.
Neeti. Okay. Neeti, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, he went to bed at 7:30 and he was sleeping beside his granny.
Yes. So the answer is the next evening Swami went to bed at 7:30 before his father returned home. He slept next to his granny as usual. Okay. Now I'm coming on to the reference to context. You can come to the reference to context. If you do it, mind you, I will make you the laughing stock at your school. Who said this to whom? ये किसने बोला है? Ma'am, unmute Aditya.
Aditya.
Ma'am, his father said to the Swami.
तो द नहीं आता बेटा, द कभी भी नहीं आता इसके साथ. जब नेम होता है ना तो हम कभी भी द यूज नहीं करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? द का यूज हम नहीं करते हैं. ओके
Ma'am, he is muted.
ओके चलिए. अच्छा वो बताइए, why did the speaker say it? Why did the speaker say it? स्पीकर ने ये बात क्यों बोली? Yes, ma'am. Unmute anyone.
Okay, ma'am. Shreya.
Ma'am, because he had to overcome Swami's fear.
Okay. ठीक है. Good. Next question is, what was the speaker trying to do to the listener?
Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा पहले तो बी वाले का बताओ. Why did the speaker say it? स्पीकर ने ये बात क्यों बोली थी?
Ma'am, the speaker said it because Swami was afraid of darkness and he might be go to his granny's side at night. So he said this.
Okay, he warned him like this. Okay. Next question is, what was the speaker trying to do to the listener? What was the speaker?
Ma'am, the speaker was trying to make the laughing to make Swami the laughing stock at his school.
नहीं, इसके थ्रू वो क्या करना चाह रहा था लिसनर के लिए?
ओके मैम. मैम तो जैसा कि श्रेया ने कहा था, द स्पीकर वाज ट्राइंग टू ओवरकम हिज फियर.
हाँ ठीक है. ओके. समथिंग हैज बिटन मी. हु और व्हाट हैड बिटन द स्पीकर? हु और व्हाट हैड बिटन द स्पीकर? कैन एनीवन टेल? हु और व्हाट हैड बिटन द स्पीकर?
Aditya.
Swami had bitten the speaker.
Yes. What had the bitter bitten into? उसने कहाँ पर उसको बाइट किया था? What had the speaker? What had the bitter bitten into?
Ma'am,
हाँ.
Swami bitten him in his ankle.
Ankle पे तो एंकल पे तो बेटा उसको चोट लग गई थी. यू कैन रीड इट ओवर देयर. आप पढ़ सकते हो ये इसमें कि उसको वो तो गिर गया था तो उसे चोट लग गई थी. उसने तो उसे हग किया था, है ना, एंड तब उसको उसे कट किया था. Something has bitten me, went forth and thundering and was followed by a heavy tumbling and falling amidst creature. तो उसने कहाँ पर काटा होगा? Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
प्रतिभा, मैम should I pick anyone else?
हाँ हाँ.
Okay, ma'am. Chitransh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, leg.
मैं ना नीचे छोड़ के आ रही हूँ कपड़े खोल के. अभी तुम ये वाली क्लास ले लो, फिर मैं नीचे छोड़ के आऊंगी. आपको कोई क्लास देने की जरूरत नहीं.
बेटा.
Chitransh, do you want to answer it?
अच्छा,
leg.
answer. The next answer.
He's saying leg.
What happened? Okay. What happened to the? I will tell the answer. What happened? What happened to the person who was bitten? उस पर्सन को क्या हुआ था जिसे बाइट कर लिया गया था? Can anyone tell this answer?
Somil.
Yes, बेटा.
मैं एक बार क्वेश्चन फिर से बोल दीजिए.
What happened to the person who was bitten? उसको क्या हुआ था जिसे काटा गया था? उसे क्या हो गया था फिर? बेटा, anyone else who wants to answer this question?
साक्षी को कर दूं मैम?
हाँ हाँ कर दीजिए.
साक्षी.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am,
What happened to the person who? हाँ.
The person who has bitten was lying on the floor. And caught.
No. I'm telling the answer, बेटा. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो पर्सन था उसका उसके बाद क्या हुआ था. तो what happened to the person who was he agonized. एक तो वो जोर से चिल्लाया था and then he tumbled and fell in the middle of the furniture. उसके बाद वो गिर गया था फर्नीचर के बीच में. After this, come to the exercise on page number 33. पेज नंबर 33 पर आइए सब लोग. You can unscramble the letters. VERNSOU. What is the word for this? Raise your hand for the exercise. VERNSOU. Yes.
Ma'am, nervous.
Nervous. Spelling. Repeat the spelling of
NERVOUS.
Okay. Next question is CARESD. CARESD. Yes. भव्य भाषण. Yes, बेटा. हाँ. Loudly.
I'm scared.
Spelling.
I'm SCARED.
Yes, it is scared. SCARED. Next question. KOOPEDS. What is the correct word for this? Aditya.
Aditya.
Ma'am, spooked.
Spelling.
SPOOKED.
Correct. Next question is LEASTDRT. Who will tell this? Ma'am, unmute Ayush Bansal.
Ayush Bansal.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, starlid. Ma'am, starlit.
That is startled, not starlit.
Okay, ma'am.
Startled. Speak the
Startled.
spelling.
STARTLED.
Okay. Next is fifth one, ROWIRED. ROWIRED. Who will tell? चलिए, आस्था, Somil, Chitransh, ma'am, anyone, you can unmute them.
Okay, ma'am. Somil.
Ma'am, worried.
Spelling?
WORRIED.
Yes, correct. Next one is FIGHTREEND. What is that? Anyone else?
Chitransh.
Ma'am, frightened.
Frightened. What is the spelling?
FRIGNT. GHN.
Wrong. Spelling is wrong. Anyone else speak the correct spelling? Beta, wherever you are asked a question, I think you should do it on your own. Don't ask your parents or take the help of others.
Radhika Gupta.
Ma'am, FRIGHTENED.
Yes, frightened. FRIGHTENED. Okay, next one. FRIEDTREI. Yes. Ma'am, unmute Virat.
Virat.
Virat. What is the word, beta?
Virat, beta.
Hello.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, like friend. Ma'am, answer is friend.
No. Wrong. Okay, ma'am. Anyone else? Chitransh.
Okay, ma'am. Chitransh.
Chitransh. Unmute yourself. You have raised your hand. Okay, I am telling the answer. It is terrified. TERRIFIED. So this meeting is going